Hi, my name is Dr. Patrick Meehan. I've been a board-certified physician in family medicine for over 30 years. In addition to seeing patients for a number of years, I've also worked in public health at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC, as a senior scientist, and also as state health officer for 2 different states. I've been incredibly frustrated that people like you watching this video have not been getting clear and concise information about how to protect yourselves and your family from getting the coronavirus, or COVID-19. Every day I see people driving in their car alone wearing a mask, and sometimes even wearing gloves. And I can tell you with 100% certainty that driving in your car alone does not put you at risk of getting coronavirus. You don't need a mask, you don't need gloves. The main value of a mask is that it protects other people from you if you happen to be infected with coronavirus. It also provides you with some protection from other people if they're infected, but it's not 100% foolproof. And that's why you need to avoid those crowded places as much as possible. When do you need to wear a mask? Certainly when you go into stores or other enclosed places where there are people who are not part of your household, you should definitely wear a mask. Also, it is good to wear a mask in outdoor areas where it's difficult for people to maintain at least 6 feet of separation. But walking alone or with your family outside where there are no other people does not require a mask. Also, riding a bike alone in an area that's not congested does not require a mask. In general, don't bother wearing gloves. The problem is that people put them on and they touch various objects and various surfaces, and then they absent-mindedly touch their nose or their mouth or their eyes, and they infect themselves with their contaminated gloves. Instead of wearing gloves, just wash frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer with at least 70% alcohol. Other hand sanitizers are probably not as effective. If no one in your home has coronavirus, then it's not necessary to wear a mask or gloves or sanitize the surfaces in your house. The virus doesn't just float in the window or the door and land on surfaces in your house. It just doesn't work that way. The bottom line is wear a mask when you go to the store or other indoor places with other people, or outdoor places where people can't distance themselves. If you must go to a store or another place, pick the least crowded option you can.